Improving English writing skills is a journey that can transform not only your communication abilities but also your confidence and creativity. Whether you're a student striving for better grades, a professional looking to enhance your reports, or someone who simply wants to express themselves more clearly, developing strong writing skills is essential. This article will guide you through various strategies and techniques that can help you become a more proficient writer. One of the most effective ways to improve your writing is through consistent practice. Just like learning a musical instrument or a new language, writing requires regular engagement. Set aside time each day or week to write. It could be journaling your thoughts, composing short stories, or even drafting essays on topics that interest you. The key is to make writing a habit. The more you write, the more you will refine your skills, discover your voice, and understand your strengths and weaknesses as a writer. Reading widely is another crucial component of improving your writing. Exposure to different writing styles, genres, and perspectives can significantly influence your own writing. Read novels, articles, essays, and poetry. Pay attention to the way authors construct their sentences, develop their ideas, and engage their readers. As you read, take notes on phrases or techniques that resonate with you. This active engagement with text will help you internalize good writing practices, which you can then apply to your own work. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective writing. A rich vocabulary allows you to express your ideas more precisely and creatively. However, it's not just about knowing a lot of words, it's about knowing how to use them effectively. Try to learn a few new words each week, and make it a point to incorporate them into your writing. Contextual understanding is key, so instead of just memorizing definitions, use new words in sentences to reinforce their meanings and improve retention. Understanding the fundamentals of grammar and punctuation is vital for clarity and professionalism in writing. Even if you have great ideas, poor grammar can detract from your message and undermine your credibility. Invest some time in reviewing grammar rules, and use online resources or grammar books to help you. There are numerous tools available that can check your writing for grammatical errors, but it's also beneficial to learn the rules so you can identify and correct mistakes independently. This knowledge will give you greater confidence in your writing. When it comes to writing, clarity is paramount. Avoid complex sentence structures that can confuse your reader. Aim for simplicity and straightforwardness. Clear writing is often more impactful than verbose prose. Be mindful of your audience and tailor your language and tone to fit their expectations. For example, writing for a formal academic audience will require a different approach than writing for a casual blog. Understanding your audience will help you choose the appropriate vocabulary and style, making your writing more engaging and effective. Outlining your ideas before you begin writing can save you time and help you stay organized. An outline serves as a roadmap for your piece, allowing you to structure your thoughts logically. It doesn't have to be overly detailed, a simple list of main points can suffice. This practice will help you maintain focus and ensure that your writing flows coherently from one idea to the next. By knowing what you want to say before you start writing, you can reduce writer's block and create a more cohesive final product. Another effective technique is to seek feedback on your writing. Sharing your work with peers, teachers, or writing groups can provide you with valuable insights and different perspectives. Constructive criticism can highlight areas where you excel and pinpoint aspects that need improvement. Be open to feedback, and use it as a tool for growth rather than a source of discouragement. Remember that all writers, no matter their experience level, benefit from the input of others. Engaging with a community of writers can also provide motivation and accountability. Revising and editing are critical steps in the writing process. The first draft is rarely perfect, so take the time to refine your work. After you've written a piece, set it aside for a day or two before revisiting it. This distance can give you fresh eyes to identify areas that need improvement. Focus on content first to make sure your ideas are clearly presented and logically organized. Then, Move on to style and grammar. Read your work aloud. This can help you catch awkward phrasing or grammatical errors that you might miss when reading silently. Using writing prompts can also stimulate creativity and improve your writing skills. Prompts can push you to explore new themes, styles, or perspectives that you might not have considered otherwise. They can be as simple as a single word, a question, or a scenario. Set a timer and write without stopping for a certain amount of time. This exercise encourages you to let go of self-editing and just write, which can lead to surprising and innovative ideas. Another effective method to improve your writing is to analyze your favorite authors. Identify writers whose styles you admire and dissect their techniques. What makes their writing compelling? Is it their use of imagery, dialogue, pacing, or character development? Try to emulate some of their strategies in your own writing. This doesn't mean copying their work, rather, it's about understanding what makes their writing effective and adapting those elements to suit your voice. Joining a writing workshop or class can be incredibly beneficial. These settings provide structured guidance and feedback from experienced instructors and fellow writers. Workshops often focus on specific genres, techniques, or themes, allowing you to hone your skills in a supportive environment. You'll also have the opportunity to read and critique others' work, which can deepen your understanding of writing mechanics and styles. Engaging in discussions about writing can further enrich your perspective and inspire your creativity. Embracing the digital age, various online platforms and resources can aid in enhancing your writing skills. Websites like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor provide immediate feedback on grammar, style, and readability, allowing you to refine your writing as you go. Additionally, countless writing blogs, forums, and YouTube channels offer tips, tutorials, and prompts to keep you engaged. Engaging with these resources can keep you motivated and informed about new writing techniques and trends. One often overlooked aspect of writing is the emotional connection you create with your audience. Good writing resonates on a personal level, evoking emotions and encouraging reflection. Don't be afraid to infuse your writing with your own experiences and feelings. Authenticity often leads to stronger connections with readers. Share your thoughts and perspectives, and allow your unique voice to shine through. This personal touch can make your writing more engaging and relatable. Understanding different forms of writing can also enhance your overall skills. Experiment with various genres such as fiction, non-fiction, poetry, or persuasive writing. Each form has its conventions and techniques that can teach you valuable lessons. Writing poetry, for instance, can improve your ability to convey emotions concisely and effectively, while narrative writing can help you develop character and plot. By diversifying your writing experiences, you can become a more versatile and skilled writer. Lastly, it's important to cultivate patience and resilience throughout your writing journey. Improvement takes time, and you will inevitably encounter challenges and setbacks. Rather than feeling discouraged by mistakes, view them as opportunities for growth. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing yourself to learn and evolve. Writing is an ongoing process, and every piece you create contributes to your development as a writer. In summary, enhancing your English writing skills involves a combination of consistent practice, exposure to diverse reading materials, vocabulary building, grammar mastery, and seeking feedback. By outlining your ideas, revising diligently, and analyzing the techniques of admired authors, you can refine your craft. Utilizing digital resources and embracing emotional authenticity will also strengthen your writing. Don't forget to explore various forms of writing and remain patient and resilient in your journey. With dedication and the right strategies, you can significantly improve your writing skills and express your ideas more effectively.